Well, hi, this is Jim Kitzmiller, and if you're like me, you've probably been wondering how to be spiritual with a bird on your shoulder. Or another way of expanding that is to how to be spiritual during your everyday life when there's different kinds of unexpected activities going on. My friend Snow here has volunteered to demonstrate distractions that we could have in our ordinary life, and I'll see what I can do to apply some of the various spiritual principles. Like for one thing, I would be observing you, or just observing myself, being the observer. So, and Snow is going to do what he can to distract me here. He's crawling on my arm here. So anyway, the idea is, or one of the ideas is to be the observer while other things are going on and not get too caught up. And if I get distracted, let's say Snow is distracting me here, then I can just go back to being the observer again, just observing myself and observing you, and observing the environment with love. Now, Snow here is part of the environment, so I can continue observing Snow with love. And I see there's bright sunshine coming in, which is having an adverse impact on the lighting here, but that's okay. So anyway, the lesson here is just to return to what I'm doing, return to observing, being the observer, and doing whatever is necessary or appropriate to do at the time. And also another spiritual approach is to see divine essence. So we can, just bring Snow a little closer. So while we're doing whatever we're doing, we can see the divine essence in things. So is that all for now, Snow? Okay, I guess that's all for the moment. So anyway, please feel free to leave a comment, and either for me or for Snow. And thanks for watching.